Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Pokémon Black and White on your Android device. Emulation is the key to enjoying these classic Nintendo DS games on modern smartphones and tablets. It allows your Android device to mimic the original console, bringing the beloved Unova region directly to your fingertips. We'll cover everything you need to know, from selecting the right software to getting your game up and running smoothly. Get ready to embark on an exciting Pokémon journey. Choosing the right emulator is crucial for a great experience. There are several excellent Nintendo DS emulators available on the Google Play Store. Drawstick DS Emulator is a highly recommended option, known for its speed and features, though it is a paid application. Melon DS is another fantastic choice, offering strong performance and being open source. Always check user reviews and ensure the emulator is regularly updated for the best compatibility and stability on your Android device. Once you have your emulator, you'll need the game files, often called ROMs. To legally obtain these, you should already own the physical Pokémon Black or White game cartridge. These game files are typically in NDS format. You will then transfer this file to your Android device, usually into a designated folder that your emulator can easily access. This step is essential for the emulator to recognize and load your game. With your emulator installed and ROM file ready, the final steps are straightforward. Open your chosen emulator application and navigate to the option to load a new game. Select your Pokémon Black or White NDS file from where you saved it on your device. You can then customize controls, adjust screen layouts, and fine-tune performance settings for an optimal gameplay experience. Now you are all set to explore the Unova region and catch 'em all.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.